Hey guys, welcome to devops school. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about Docker. It helps us to create, deploy and run applications by using containers. After going through this tutorial, I promise you that the concept and understanding of the Docker will be absolutely clear to you.
But before that, let me ask you a few things. Are you dreaming of a career with higher pay and more responsibilities? Or are you ready to take your skills to the next level this year? Then start investing in DevOps School certification level courses which will help you to emerge skills for a wide range of entry level roles and as well as higher potential future positions. But with thousands of courses online and in classroom worldwide, finding the right one for your career goals can be difficult. You can consider our courses like Agile Developer, Agile QA, DevOps Certified Professionals, Site Reliability Engineering, DevSecOps, and Masters in DevOps Engineering, where you will have access to well-structured, easy-to-follow course content that has been developed and will be delivered by industry professionals. You can join on our training programs globally through online platforms, and if you are looking for classroom workshops, then we have regular sessions available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi NCR, Mumbai and in Pune. Simply compare our many courses, find the one that suits your style and schedule best and start today.
Okay, so question is how to create image. That's all. We understood now what is an image, but how to create image. So this is a image basically is when I say you need to commit a layer, that's all. Commit a layer. Top layer or commit all a layer. All a layer. Understand this from scratch. Either you commit a top layer, which is nothing but a container, and you will be extending that image, or from scratch everything from the zero layer to top layer, commit everything, whichever the approach. This is called manual approach using existing container. And another one is automated approach, automation approach using Dockerfile. Okay, first I'll show you manual, then you can understand automation. Okay, so this is the way you can get it. So here first have a decide what you want. So let's say if you need something like this, if you need something like what is it, let's say Ubuntu should be base, or CentOS should be base image root file system. On top of that install Java, top of install Apache, Java or Git, and plus Git also. All you want it. So here you want it all in one layer. It can be possible. You can keep it in a different layer also, but right now I want all in one layer. So what I will do, simple, look at my screen. Ubuntu, I'm creating one fresh container. Spelling mistake actually. I got this here. Now this is the container. Docker attach or exec, whatever you want to do. Now you know that, so won't explain you much detail. Now I want to do install Java. So it's Apache, right? Sorry, Ubuntu. So open JDK Java. So here with Java. So Java is not installed here, installing in the container. Sudo is not available, no problem. Anyways, I'm root, so not needed. Update required. It's saying package not there. What I'm doing actually, it's not typing. The command is not been pressed. Update has happened. Installing the Java. Press Y. Okay, here we have to select some options. Done. So Java installed now. Next one is what we decided. Apache. So let's install Apache also. It's not there. Install Apache. Why? Which Apache? Got it. Now I want to install Git. So apt get install Git. Yes. Done. So guys, in this container you have everything. Control PQ. Docker PS. This container you have everything. Docker exec Git, you have it. Apache, you have it. Java, you have it. So what do you want? You have it. Now where this has gone? So this has gone into the all this whatever files you have written, that's gone to the diff directory. Okay, this is the one. See here, I install Apache, all this software, it's here. etc temp user var. So all this software whatever I installed, it's got stored in this directory. So now I need to commit. So here I'm going to commit. So let's commit. So here Docker PS, you can stop the container also if it's runtime running, but it's not running, not writing any file. I mean processes are not running, application processes. So here Docker commit -m. Why you want to commit? So this has Ubuntu plus git plus Apache plus update, all this stuff. Okay, Java is also there. So here now who are you? So author Rajesh. Which container you want to commit? I want to commit. So container, right? You have to add, give the container ID. I want to commit this container ID. You want to commit, okay, we're fine, but you want to attach that layer to some image ID. So you have to give the image ID name. If you can run command like that also, but image ID is a good to give you a user friendly name. So here I will create a name. which is here. Done. Now you see here Docker, that container is still there, but I committed that container and created an image out of it. And now see here, this image. Okay, so this image is available right now, and image ID you have this one. 20 seconds ago I created, size is this one. Now let me show you the history, how this evolved. This is Ubuntu history of commit. Look at this. So a day you till there you are Ubuntu. Suddenly the moment you have a layer of 0043 dub dub dub, which is a 503 MB. Okay, that is your update, Git, Java, everything I installed in one layer only. So now if you create a container out of this image, then what will happen? All these layers will be merged, conflict will be resolved as per the top layer, and in the top layer you see the Ubuntu plus Java plus Apache plus Git and all stuff like that. So are you getting the points here, what I'm trying to say? Are you getting the points?
Yes.
So if I create here, let's say create a container, Docker run -itd. I'm creating a container from the new image. Okay, see here Docker ps. See here, remaining this is a from Ubuntu, but this is a my container which I have modified. So you find Git here also, but now Git, Apache 2 and all you will find in this container also. Exec Git, say Java, say. So you have everything. So this is the way you create an image. The command is only this one. So nothing new, nothing great. Did you find any difficulties now creating images from the existing container?
No, I think.
Did you find any difficulties?
No, right.
Now I'll give you assignments. Downloads, CentOS, install Tomcat, install Java, install Git, install, copy some files. Which files you will take it up? Some jar files you can download from any Google location. So some jar files to opt app, my app, this location, and create an image. That's all. Okay, same concept. First you do this, then you do this. Okay, the command you have it here. Okay, get going. So I'll give you for this 15 to 20 minutes to create this image. Make sure that image is ready because you have to share that image to me. I'll tell you the location where you can push that image. So it's important for all of us.
If you liked our Docker session so far, please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devops.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.